Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best C9 Christmas lights is probably one of the most iconic symbols of the holiday season, instantly recognizable and capable of transforming any space into a festive wonderland. But with so many options available, choosing the right set can be a daunting task. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of C9 Christmas lights, exploring what makes them special and helping you find the perfect set to brighten your home this Christmas. Number 5. Novelty Lights C9 Ceramic Christmas Replacement Bulbs. These durable bulbs are perfect for Christmas, weddings, or any outdoor event. They provide a warm, inviting glow, enhancing the atmosphere of your space. Made with high-quality glass, these incandescent bulbs offer a soft, beautiful light and last for up to 3,000 hours. With various colors, they'll surely impress your guests. Simply screw these bulbs into your C9 string light set for indoor or outdoor use. They are ideal for weddings, holiday decorations, or adding a touch of color to any room. These E17 base, 7-watt bulbs are 3 inches tall and 1.25 inches wide. They can create customized ambient lighting for all your events with multiple color options. Novelty Lights is dedicated to providing high-quality lighting solutions at affordable prices. The company offers a wide range of products, including LED Christmas lights and replacement bulbs. Since 1999, Novelty Lights has been a trusted leader in the holiday lighting industry. As a US-based company, their customer service team is always available to help. What we like? These bulbs are perfect for any occasion, from weddings to holiday celebrations. They provide a warm, inviting glow that enhances any space. If you're looking to create a customized ambience for your events, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? They are very bright and colorful. The lights are beautiful and look great on the house. They are the perfect size and look great. Number 4. Brightown C9 Incandescent Christmas Light Bulbs. These vintage C9 bulbs create a warm and inviting Christmas atmosphere. The glass shell allows for excellent light transmission, providing a realistic lighting effect. It's perfect for your Christmas decorations. These UL-certified bulbs ensure safe use and have an average lifespan of over 3,000 hours. You can use them indoors or outdoors for various decorations, eliminating the need for frequent replacements. Featuring an IP44 waterproof design, it's resistant to wind, snow, and rain. These C9 Christmas light bulbs are perfect for both indoor and outdoor decorations, bringing the Christmas spirit to your home. The incandescent C9 bulbs use a standard E17 socket for easy installation. Simply install the bulb into an E17 socket or string light. It only takes a moment to bring light and decoration to your space. Remember to turn off the power during replacement. Each C9 bulb is 7W and is a great replacement for Christmas and Halloween string lights. They're also perfect for daily and holiday decor, such as chandeliers, candle lights, and more. It's a versatile choice for your lighting needs. What we like? These bulbs create a classic, warm Christmas atmosphere. They are also UL certified, ensuring safe use both indoors and outdoors. If you want a reliable and festive lighting solution that can withstand the elements, you should consider this. What people say? They are very bright and colorful. The lights are beautiful and look great on the house. The bulbs are made of a durable plastic and should last for years to come. Number 3. Brightown C9 Clear Christmas String Lights. These are Brightown C9 Clear Christmas String Lights. They are perfect for adding a festive touch to your home. This product is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. The string is 25 feet long and features 25 clear C9 bulbs. You can easily connect multiple sets end to end. This allows you to cover a larger area with ease. The light bulbs have a candelabra, E17, socket base and are UL listed for safety. It is built with commercial quality, making it suitable for various applications. For installation, always mount the string first before screwing in the light bulbs. The design includes a 6-inch lead with a male plug and a 6-inch tail with a female connector. These lights are great for patios, decks, weddings, tents, and parties. If you need replacement bulbs, search for ASIN #B07XYKZ4DM. It's a versatile lighting solution. What we like? This string light offers commercial-grade quality, perfect for various indoor and outdoor applications. It is easy to install and connect end to end. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use lighting solution for your patios, decks, or parties, this is a great choice. What people say. They are very bright and look great. The lights are beautiful and very vibrant. They are well made and look like they will last a long time. Number 2. Bluex C9 Red and Green Light Bulbs 12-pack. These are the Bluex C9 Red and Green Light Bulbs. This pack includes 12 bulbs, perfect for your holiday decorations. They are designed to bring a festive glow to your home. These C9 bulbs are ceramic incandescent. Each bulb is 7W and has an E17 base. They provide a warm, classic light for your Christmas display. These lights are designed for outdoor use. They are perfect for decorating your house during the holiday season. They are durable and can withstand various weather conditions. Each bulb has an average lifespan of 3,000 hours. This means you can enjoy the beautiful lights for many holiday seasons. They are a reliable choice for your lighting needs. These lights are great for night lights, signs, and parties. They are versatile and can be used in many different ways. They will add a touch of color and cheer to any occasion. What we like. These bulbs come in festive red and green colors, perfect for holiday decorations. They are made with durable ceramic material and have a long lifespan. If you like to add a classic, colorful touch to your Christmas display, this is the one for you. What people say. They are bright and beautiful. The lights are very vibrant and colorful. They are well made and look great. Number 1. Abeja C9 Incandescent Replacement Bulbs. These Abeja C9 replacement bulbs are perfect for your holiday decorations. They are designed to fit C9 string lights and provide a warm, inviting glow. Each bulb is 120 volts and 7 watts with an E17 base. This set includes 25 clear bulbs, each measuring 3.1 inches in length and 1.18 inches in width. These bulbs offer a retro look, ideal for Christmas, parties, or everyday decor. Use them in your home, cafe, bar, or patio for a festive touch. The E17 intermediate base is made of commercial-grade nickel, preventing corrosion. This ensures the bulbs are durable and weather-resistant. These clear incandescent bulbs emit a warm white light, suitable for any indoor or outdoor application. They create a cozy atmosphere. If you receive a defective item, please contact the seller directly. For compatible C9 string lights, check the product descriptions for the provided ASINs. What we like. These clear bulbs offer a vintage look, perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. They are designed for various applications, from rooftops to patios. If you are looking for a classic and versatile lighting option for your holiday decor, you should consider this. What people say. They are very bright and look great. The lights are beautiful and very vibrant. They are exactly what I was looking for. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.